Dot product. What is the meaning of dot product? Dot product is produced. Dot product is produced the scalar. Dot product is represented scalar. Simple. Dot product is represented a scalar. And second one, I dot I 1, J dot J 1, K dot K 1. I dot I, J dot J, K dot K equal to 1 now. And same vector, same position of a vector, same I dot I1, J dot J1, K dot K equal to 1. When suppose different vectors I dot J equal to 0, okay, J dot K equal to 0, K dot I equal to 0. Dot product is represented as scalar, and second one I dot I equal to 1, J dot J equal to 1, K dot K equal to 1, J dot J I dot J equal to 0, J dot K equal to 0, K dot I equal to 0. Once you observe that one, I dot I, clear that. Second, next one, and dot product and angle, cosecant of angle between the two vectors, A bar dot B bar, magnitude of A bar, magnitude of B bar. This proof are important. First I am saying the conditions, after I will explain to the proof. Okay. Cos theta equal to A bar dot B bar, magnitude of A bar, magnitude of B bar. And the same time dot product is parallel component. Dot product is parallel component. Dot product is parallel component. Suppose theta equal to 0 degrees. Parallel. 0 means always parallel. And theta equal to 90 degrees, perpendicular. 0 means parallel. Remember that one. 0 means parallel. 90 means perpendicular. Theta equal to 0, parallel. 90 means perpendicular. A bar dot B bar equal to magnitude of A bar, magnitude of B bar. Cos theta, cos 90 value 0. So automatically A bar dot B bar equal to 0. And suppose theta equal to pi. Pi means A bar dot B bar equal to minus of magnitude in magnitude of B bar. Okay. And next enter to the proof of cos theta equal to A bar dot B bar by divided by magnitude of A bar, magnitude of B bar. And this one are parallel component, theta equal to 0, parallel. A bar dot B bar equal to magnitude of A bar, magnitude of B bar. Theta equal to 90, perpendicular. A bar dot B bar equal to 0. Dot product, angle between dot product equal to 0. That is always perpendicular. C bar dot D bar equal to 0. That is perpendicular. Angle theta equal to 90 degrees. Suppose X bar dot Y bar equal to 0. Angle theta equal to 90 degrees. That is perpendicular. Remember that one, and easy first of all. And proof of cos theta equal to, and important to, at the same time first of all easy. Important to, okay, first of all easy. A bar dot B bar divided by magnitude of A bar, magnitude of B bar, and small diagram. Alpha, theta. Small explanation. This distance are 6, this distance are 4. What about total distance? Remember that one, small condition. This distance are 6, this distance are 4. What about total distance? 6 plus 4. And suppose this distance are alpha, this distance are theta. What about total distance? Alpha plus theta. This distance are alpha, this distance are theta. What about total distance? Alpha plus theta. Alpha plus theta. Small alpha theta. Work alpha plus theta. And P1 magnitude of P1 equal to, suppose magnitude of A P2 magnitude of P1 magnitude of P1 converted into angle. Converted into angle means remember that one. And alpha converted into angle point. Alpha angle converted into points. Small condition. First cos alpha. Second sin alpha. And suppose theta conversion cos theta. Sin theta. And theta plus alpha conversion. Okay. P1 points cos alpha. And P1 sin alpha. And this one total distance. This distance are alpha. Okay. This distance are alpha. Okay, no problem. The distance are theta. And what is the total distance? Theta plus alpha. P2 cos of theta plus alpha. P2 sin of theta plus alpha. P2 cos of theta plus alpha. P2 sin of theta plus alpha. And remember that one. P1 distance of P1 magnitude of A, distance of P2 magnitude of B. And remember that one small condition, vector component converted into distance position magnitude. Use magnitude. Vector component is converted into scalar component. Use magnitude. Fix P1 equal magnitude of A, P2 equal magnitude of B. Clear. Next one. Suppose same P1 vector equal to P1 bar equal to A bar, P2 bar equal to P bar. Normal vector to vector, no problem. But vector converted into scalar, use magnitude property. P1 dot P2, P1 bar dot P2. Okay, and this is the position of I position. I dot I, what is the value of, already I will explain to you. What is the value of I dot I? 1. P1, P2. Clear cut. Cos alpha into cos theta plus alpha. Next, J dot J. I dot I 1. J dot J value 1. Plus P1 P2 sin alpha into sin theta plus alpha. P1 and P2 are common. P1 and P2 are common. P1 and P2 are common. Next, cos alpha into cos of theta plus alpha plus sin alpha into sin of theta plus alpha. Direct step P1 P2 cos alpha, cos of A plus B. You know the cos of A plus B formula. What is the cos of A plus B? Cos A cos B minus cos alpha into sin A sin cos of A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, multiply with the cos alpha, multiply with the cos alpha. Okay. Second one comes to second one, sin alpha, sin of A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Once you observe that one, cos alpha into cos alpha, P1 P2 are common, cos square alpha into cos square alpha into cos theta. Clear? Plus minus cancel. Next, sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha into cos theta. And here P1 P2 and cos theta are common, remaining cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. What is the formula? Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1. So here what is the P1? Distance of P1, magnitude of A. What is the P2? Distance of magnitude of P1 equal to magnitude of A, P2 equal magnitude of B. Vector P1 A vector, vector P2 B vector. magnitude of A bar, magnitude of B bar into cos theta. Finally prove this one, and multiplication shifted to left hand side, divide magnitude of A bar, magnitude of B bar. And this is the proof of cos theta equal to A bar dot B bar by magnitude of A bar dot magnitude of B bar. Clear. And first to draw the diagram, some distance alpha, remaining theta, total alpha plus theta, or theta plus alpha both are same, converted into angle P1 cos alpha, P1 sin alpha, P2 cos of theta plus alpha, P2 sin of theta plus alpha, P1 dot P2, I dot I 1, J dot J 1, same, cos alpha into cos of theta plus alpha, sin alpha into sin of theta plus alpha. You know the cos of A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. You know the sin of A plus B formula, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, plus minus cancel, remaining cos theta are common, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. And you know the P1 magnitude of A, P2 distance magnitude of B, and condition cos theta multiplication shifted to left hand side, divide, and this is the proof.